We closed for the markets today and closing at the lowest point of the day, even for the broader end of the spectrum. It's not just the Nifty which took it on the chin, not on the chin really, but down today. But the mid cap and the small caps in particular also look slightly wobbly, and that is where the worry came in because the market breadth was very, very adverse, 2% lower for the small caps. The large cap end was punctuated by losses to banks. If you just look at the top contributors or the top losers, you will see what I'm talking about. Banks looked weak. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, IndusInd Bank, they were amongst the set of top losers today. And amongst the set of top contributors as well. Reliance had a bit of a wobble. Infi had a bit of a wobble today. And as you can see on the gaining side, not too many strong hands out there. TCS had that meager 3-point contribution on the gaining side. So therein lay the problem. But the broader end of the spectrum was, and by the way, FMCG did well. So you saw everything from a Nestle to some others having a decent outing on the Nifty at least. There was a bit of a defensive bent, life insurance and select FMCG names which did well. Now bring up the Nifty 500 winners and losers on the screen, and we'll see the broader end of the spectrum too having some bit of an issue. Tata Chemicals was symptomatic of what happened to the Tata Group stocks. Save for Trent and Tata Elxsi and maybe TCS, none of the stocks were in the green. But Tata Chemicals led the fall. JM Financial corrected in the session today as well. There was weakness in IFL Finance yet again. Aegis and Sham Metallics were some of the others which corrected. On the flip side, some gains for Narayan Rudalaya, NLC, because the OFS got over, Kalpataru Projects, Linde India, Wellspin. There are a few names which kind of stood out. But overall, there was a lot of pain. Media was the top contributor or the top loser, and that index doesn't seem to be being able to recover. And just look at the kind of falls that came into some of the stocks. Media 2.9%, but metals, energy, real estate, iron ore futures at the lowest point at about close were all key reasons why the market looked very wobbly. Let's see what is in store tomorrow.